In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot and then click onto the gear icon right here, which is your settings. Once you have done that, you should be able to find the option for integration, and you should be able to see as well if Jotform is available through there. So scroll down until you can find integrations right here. Here's integration, expand that, click on connected apps. As you can see, there's no Jotform here yet, so click on this connect your first app or go to the app marketplace. From here, click onto the search bar and search right here for Jotform. Here's Jotform right here, so click on this. And then after that, click on the install option that will appear. You should be able to open the Jotform integration itself. Now in here, click on add to form. And then this will load again for your HubSpot integration. Now in here, you can actually add HubSpot integration to a form by creating a new form or using a template. Let's create a form right here. Now here you can see your Jotform form builder as your actual builder for your HubSpots. You can create a contact or do a lot of forms that you want for this case. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.